Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Your phone or hotspot must support USB tethering or RRendis. Enable mobile data now. Plug the data-capable USB cable into the device and computer. Make sure you hear or see a connection notification. On Windows, have the USB network drivers available. On Mac OS or Linux, confirm network preferences will show a new interface. Once done, open the System Network panel and look for the tethered connection. This is your first actionable step toward Internet over USB. Once the cable is connected, enable USB tethering or share Internet on your phone. You must grant permission if prompted. If the computer asks, install the provided drivers. Accept any security prompts so the OS recognizes the new network interface. Next, open Network Settings and verify the new adapter appears. Ensure it's set to obtain IP via DHCP or enter a static IP if your setup requires it. This step establishes the route and DNS information so your computer can use the phone's internet. You finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser and load a page, then run a quick ping to 8 to confirm routing. If pages fail or speed is poor, disable and re-enable tethering, unplug and use another USB port, or swap the cable. Make sure battery saver or data limits aren't blocking background traffic, and verify APN settings match your carrier. If nothing works, reinstall drivers on the computer or restart both devices. This common fix often restores the USB internet link.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.